Life is not a straight road. It's a path filled with turns, detours, and unexpected storms. We all have moments when life hits us so hard that we start to question our worth, our purpose, and even our strength. But remember this, your story doesn't end in the storm. Your story begins when you decide to stand back up, no matter how many times life has knocked you down. Everyone loves a success story, but what truly inspires people are comeback stories. Because comebacks are real, they come from pain, loss, disappointment, and failure. They're not about perfection, they're about persistence. Your comeback story starts not when everything is fixed, but when you look at the chaos around you and whisper, "I'm not done yet." There are moments in life when you feel forgotten, when doors close, when people you trusted walk away, and when it seems like the world has given up on you. But here's the truth, the world doesn't get to decide your value. You do. The power to rise, to rebuild, and to restart is already inside you. You are not waiting for a miracle, you are the miracle. Every scar you carry tells a story of survival. Every failure you've endured has built the foundation of your strength. You may have lost time, opportunities, or people, but as long as you're still breathing, you still have the power to rewrite your story. So don't let fear or regret hold you back. The time to rise is not tomorrow. It's not when life becomes easier, it's right now in this very moment. This is the beginning of your comeback story, the moment when your courage finally speaks louder than your pain, and your determination silences your doubt. A comeback doesn't begin when everything is perfect. It begins when everything seems impossible, and you still decide to move forward. The first step is not a giant leap, it's a small, defiant whisper in your soul that says, "I will not quit." The world may have seen you fall, but only you will know the strength it took to stand up again. That single decision to rise, to try again, is what separates dreamers from doers and survivors from legends. The pain you're feeling today is not a punishment, it's a preparation. Every hardship, every sleepless night, every broken dream is sculpting your strength. Pain teaches what comfort never can: resilience, patience, and humility. The people who rise the highest are often the ones who have fallen the hardest. You don't grow through victory, you grow through struggle. The fire that tried to destroy you will become the same fire that forges your power. When you fail, when plans collapse, when everything you worked for seems lost, that's not the end. That's the setup for your rise. Every great comeback in history was born from failure. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. The difference between those who succeed and those who quit is simple. The successful never stopped believing that the setback was just a setup for a greater comeback. The hardest part of any comeback is not convincing the world, it's convincing yourself. When no one believes in you, you must hold on to your inner vision. Faith is not about seeing what's ahead. It's about believing in what's inside. The silence you face when no one supports you is not a punishment. It's an invitation to trust yourself more deeply. You don't need approval to rise, you just need to believe that you are capable of more than your circumstances suggest. Every comeback takes time. The rebuilding stage is slow, lonely, and often unnoticed, but that's where transformation happens. Success doesn't arrive overnight. It's built in small, consistent efforts in every workout, every late night study session, every rejection that doesn't stop you. Don't rush your journey. Embrace the grind, because the process is what strengthens you for the victory ahead. What you learn while rising is far more valuable than what you gain when you arrive. Your scars are not signs of weakness. They are proof that you survived. They remind you that you were tested and you made it through. Don't hide your scars. Show them proudly as symbols of growth, healing, and resilience. The pain that once broke you is now the story that can heal others. Every comeback hero wears scars not as reminders of pain but as medals of courage. Your comeback is not just about you, it's about the people watching you, silently hoping for strength in their own battles. When you rise, you become a beacon of hope. You prove that no failure is final, no loss is permanent, and no dream is too far gone. Your courage to start again can awaken courage in others. Remember, sometimes your comeback is the beginning of someone else's belief that they can rise too. This is your time. Your past does not define you. Your pain does not control you. Your comeback story starts now. Rise, rebuild, and rewrite your destiny, because the world hasn't seen your best chapter yet.